Hello, 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 everyone, and good morning to you all. I hope you're having a good day. Well, today is Saturday, the 12th of October, 2024. Oh my gosh. Yes, we are in our Thanksgiving long weekend. And yes, in Canada, we celebrate in October. And Thanksgiving Day is Monday. And so there's a lot of people traveling, and it's the last good weather, that we can really kind of count on. Mind you, about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, we had a storm go through. Oh my gosh, lots and lots and lots of snow and blizzard like conditions and power outages and you name it. And it was sporadic around the province. So I'm thankful that that's not what it is. Now, on another note, I finally ended furnace chicken. The game is done for this year. I put the furnace on this morning. I just couldn't take it anymore. But looking in the back there, oh my God. And the heat stays in the back. It's just wonderful. So, but the thing is, it's nice and warm back there, but it's cool up here. So, I'm hoping that because there's still a lot of bats of insulation, and they'll probably stuff it up in here, which will be good. And that. So, but we'll see what happens. But because the insulation's got to be used anyway, so because I'm not sure if it can go back. I'm not sure, but I think they would probably use it. Alrighty, today, what am I working on? Well, I am working here again on ah, I'll get it right there. Okay, that is treasure hunt. Yes, indeed. And I got way over here yesterday. And I do cross country. So this color here, which was 823, I could carry all the way over here. So I did that. So now I'm back over here. I'm going to see about um, finding some more of my threads today. If I can get into the craft room. Ay, ay, ay. It's not very it's not very good back there, I can tell you that. It's it's if I could hurdle, I'd be doing good. But yeah, I'm too afraid of falling. It's climbing. It's climbing exercises. So yeah. Oh, I was going to say this morning I happened to watch and catch Sarah from Geared Up Crafting. Uh, and she's a fellow YouTuber, and she was doing a live. And unfortunately, there was only Rana on there and myself. And I don't know what Rana was doing up so early at 5 o'clock, but yeah. But I was able to jump in, and that was at about 20 to 8 or something. Otherwise, I wouldn't have even known. So, Sarah, next time you're going to do a live, please put a notice out. Okay. I don't mind giving you a shout out for it. And I think the more the merrier. And if we're there to help and support each other, yeah, we will do that. So, now the color I'm using today is 550. And I went looking. Oh, just a minute here. Have I got it here somewhere? Oh, yes, I do. Oop. I knew it hadn't gotten far. It just gotten out of my book. Okay, this is where I'm working. And I believe that I am working down. I don't know. It's down. It's where this. No, I don't think it's here. It's got to be. It's got to be down over here somewhere. So, yeah. And this is a design that was designed by Amy Stewart and charted by Heaven and Earth Designs. So, um, yeah, I gotta do this here so I don't lose my way. And then I did here and here. Okay. So yesterday I had put in 349 stitches and I had gotten to 3.56%. And right now I am sitting at 3.57% because I only put in 7 stitches this morning. Like I said, I had a late start. Because I woke up, it was actually Jonah who was walking back and forth on my chest and drooling. Oh my gosh, I had drool all over me. I had a shower yesterday, last night, and I had a second shower this morning. Yeah, not very, not very nice. Um, but Jonah there, he's been having a real bad. Um, well, he's the Defense Department there because he's trying to get that orange cat away. Um, so it's not. He's got scrapes and everything on him, and he had one bad one on his ear over here, behind his ear. I don't know. A claw went in and kind of scraped. Yeah. And there is a darn fly around here because they were working in the back there yesterday and it was warm. And of course, the flies came in. So, but yeah. Uh, so anyway, but it's a rainy day, but it's not a lot of rain, but it is raining, kind of off and on and that kind of thing. So I don't know how much rain we will get, but yeah. So I guess after this, I am going to make my pizza and I'm going to get that all ready because it usually takes me about ah um it takes a little while for me to get the pizza done because I add all kinds of veggies on there. And Juliet brought me yesterday, she brought me a small plate of tomatoes. Oh, this is going to be so good. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So, okay. What did I watch yesterday? Nothing. Mm, There was, oh, I just watched YouTubers. That's what I did. But I'm going to see today about watching something else because it's quiet in here. Oh, it's so nice to have that break from all that racket. I know it has to be done. I'm not stupid like that, but it's nice to have that done. So, yeah. But so I don't know what kind of movies are on or anything, but I will see. I will see. I will see. I will see. Okay, so then I go. Is that right? Is that what I did? Um, uh, Down. No, this one here goes over here. Oh, those of you that have, especially cats, how do you keep the fur, their cat hair? Like my stuff is loaded in cat hair. Um, I don't know how to get the cat hair off. Like it's, especially with Ruthie. Oh gosh, darn fly. Why is it that they always have to do a kamikaze it right around your head? I don't get it. I don't understand it. They dive bomb you. Ugh. I've already gotten, I think, 3 of them this morning. So, but and I can't remember who else I watched yesterday. Oh, I watched Yorkshire Crafter. And oh, gosh, stupid thing. Yes, I know it's there. It's a devil himself there trying to, Lord of the Flies, that's trying to get me. Yeah. Um, I guess Jen there, the caffeinated crafter, um, she's probably not posting at all because of Hurricane Milton. She probably evacuated and is dealing with cleanup because I believe she's over there in the Tampa area. So, oh, darn it. Now there's 2 of them. Ooh, missed them. Oh, they just get. Or did I get it? Nope, didn't get that one either. I'm losing my touch. I'm losing my touch. Normally I can get the suckers, but no. That, that, that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. It's hard to believe that this coming week, let me see, tomorrow is the 13th, 14th, 15th. By Wednesday at noon, we'll be already halfway through October. Like, oh my goodness, really? See if I can get it. Ah. You know when you get a fly, What you do is if you want to catch a fly, you know, that you flies will take off backwards. Okay. So don't go in front of them, go right behind them and get them. But it's because of their locations and I can't get them. That's the excuse I'm going to give. You can take it or leave it. Yeah. So, yesterday I washed the dishes, I took a shower. I I don't know what else I did. Trying to think. Ruthie. She's just on the carpet there, down on the floor. As long as she does that, I'm okay. As long as she sticks to that. So now I'm trying to see where I'm at. So I did that. Oh, there I am. Okay. Now I am finding so far that I'm enjoying this. Will I enjoy this next week? Maybe not. But right now I'm enjoying it. I haven't gotten to the point where I've been fed up with it, but I know that day is coming. And once that happens, I will just go back to my plan of working on it the 5th, 15th, and 25th of every month. So I will do that. But until I get sick and tired of it, I am not doing that. Okay, right there. But I know I have plans. This is going to do for November's challenge because of the books. And if you don't know, every month I do a different challenge. And for October, it is Falloween, FALLAUWEEN. Okay, Falloween. So you can do anything fall, autumn, winter, whatever, or fall, autumn, or Halloween. Sorry. And for November, it is Book It. Because I know a lot of you like books. Well, I don't read books anymore because I can't really. I I like to listen to audiobooks, and it's wonderful to have audiobooks because you can stitch and actually read a book. And I am only about I've got about 90 minutes or a little bit less of a book that I got from Audible. It was one of their free ones. And like free in the sense that if you're a member is part of the Plus catalog. So I didn't buy it. So and they do have a wide range of those. And so anyways, I'm listening to it and it's called Subterrestrial. It's a underground adventure, mystery, suspense, thriller, horror, whatever you want to call it. So it's pretty good. I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying it. So But I have a book waiting at the library for me, an audiobook. So I'm going to get that today and see about starting that one. So, and when I take my Audible credit that I get every month, and I don't know how much longer I'm going to continue with Audible because I've got a lot of books. But I am going to I've got lots of books waiting, and there's a lot that are you know, you can borrow from the library. The only thing is, libraries only have a limited choice. So a lot of the books that I'm interested in, you know, I just can't. Like, I like the adventure. I like the, I'm one for, like, James Rowland's, Matthew Riley. I like Linda Castillo. Now, those ones you can get through the library. Those are police procedural, which I do like. I do like post apocalyptic, which is very rare to find at libraries. Very rare. And what I usually do is when I have a credit, I will get a box set. So I try to get one with the most hours on it, because then it really makes your credit go farther. So I just recently got, because I like time travel, so I recently got the, what is it? First 3 or 4 books of the Highlander series. There's nothing in here, Missy. She was hissing back there, but Jonah's outside. Ruthie! Ruthie! So, this fabric started out really, really, really stiff. And I can't remember if I got this from Amazon or if I got it from Temu. I can't remember. But anyway, I got this, and it's really softened up. The more that you work with it, the better it is. Okay, so I've done 27 stitches. Can you believe it? 27. Yeah, total of 27. Oh my goodness. But I'm still working at it. Okay, so that's down there. And that's up here. So, okay. Ruthie. Oh, I did set up my new cat litter box. The litter box. Ruthie. And I'm kind of disappointed in a way. In a way. And the way I'm disappointed is because they put this cat litter box, which is a box, inside of a box, inside of a bigger box. Stop doing that. That is wasteful. That takes up space. You know, everything. It becomes more awkward the bigger the box is. But it's a nice litter box, I'll tell you that. And they've been using it already. And so it's got a cover on it, so hopefully it's going to keep all the dust and the excess litter that's being kicked out. So It's what? What? Missy? What? What? She she doesn't want Jonah around, but then she's off looking for him. Oh, it's going to take a while for them to get to the point where they are where they will tolerate each other. Absolutely. Absolutely. I don't know how long, but I know with Sydney and Jonah, and Sydney was an absolute terror. It took them about a year. It took them about a year to get to the point where they could play together and be together without Sydney trying to injure Jonah a lot. So, okay, I'm just putting my last stitch in here for now. And what are you doing, Missy? What are you doing, Missy? So, well, I made it to the 12th. Mind you, I did have my little heaters on, but I don't consider that putting the furnace on. Okay, because the heaters are more really localized and that, so they're very good. You should invest in some of these heaters. And I got the oil fin heaters, and they are great for localized heating. So, all right, I did a grand total of 30 new stitches this morning. So now I'm at 3.60. I think I've got to open that up over there because I think I hear that. I don't know. But I know Juliet and John have got to come and put a new filter in the furnace. But they're going to wait until after they're completely finished here. Like after they finish, because they haven't taped it yet. They haven't, so that means no mudding yet. And they still got to paint, and then it's put the flooring in and put the trim up and that kind of thing. So anyway, this is where I'm at. Okay, so I know you can really see it there, huh? But there's all this 550 and I put in here, and I've got a lot more to do yet. So anyways, I think Ruthie is watching the squirrel on TV. I think she's just interested in it somewhere. And Jonah, of course, is outside, but I'm going to get him in right away. So, but my arthritis, like I get these, and a lot of you get these, where these are arthritic nodes. There's another one there. And when the weather gets to a certain point or whatever, or the moisture level, they start to swell up, and it becomes uncomfortable. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use a hoop now for this. I'm not sure. And I got to try and figure out a way here to get this hair off. And I'd like to be able to get the threads that have to go in here and here to try and fill it in more. But I'm missing, I don't know how many here it is. I'm missing, oh my gosh, I don't know where my list went. But I've got about maybe 30 of them. Oh, I don't know where it went here. Yeah, let me see. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 colors I'm missing. Yeah. So, but I'm going to look around. I'm going to cannibalize some more kits and see what I can find. So, anyway, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be well. May God bless you this day and every day. Excuse me, God loves you, and so do I, and so does Ruthie, wherever she is, and Jonah, who's outside, but I'm going to bring him in right away. His old joints can't handle it either, so. And please remember that tomorrow there is a live from 12 noon to 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And I usually start, sometimes it's 11:59, sometimes it's noon, sometimes it's a minute after, whatever it is. So, but you can count on it. I'll be there, and I hope that you will be too. Even if you're in Canada and celebrating Thanksgiving Day long weekend. Yes, yes. So, oh gosh, darn flies. Can't stand them. Ugh. Ugh. Anyways, thank you, Jesus, for being my Lord and Savior. Thank you for saving me from my sins. Thank you for being there in my darkest and deepest moments. Thank you for loving me like you do. Thank you for caring enough for me that you would die on the cross for me so that my sins would be forgiven. And that's a prayer I pray for all of you as well. Okay, everybody, have a fantastic day. And I've got some flies to kill. Yeah. And my birdies are back. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that they're back. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Toodaloodles, everybody!